Maruna madam, shall we start?
Okay.
We are live on
Yes.
Facebook as well.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Digvijay sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sir, shall we start?
Yes. And okay. Let's start.
Shweta madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Digvijay sir. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Thank you for joining with us today. I'm Assistant Professor Shweta Agrawal. On behalf of ITM-BU family, I'd like to welcome you all to this international symposium on directions in research. And today's topic of discussion is building chatbot using deep learning approach. And to begin the session, I would like to welcome our eminent speaker, Professor Dr. Bui Thanh, Director of Data Analytics and AI Lab, Director of Information and System Program, Engineering and Technology Faculty, Thu Dau Mot University. Sir has received his MS and PhD degree from Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Sir has completed 2 projects, published 4 journals, 6 book chapters, 21 international conference papers, and 13 domestic conference papers. Sir had received 2 Best Paper Awards of FICTA 2018 and RICE in 2020, and he is selected as Excellent Scientific Researcher of Thu Dau Mot University in 2019 and 20 as well. He is a reviewer of many journals and conferences. He is also a keynote speaker of many domestic conferences of Saigon University, Thu Dau Mot University, Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, Nguyen Tat Thanh University, as well as of foreign conferences of North Orissa University, India, SIRT, India, Indore Institute of Science and Technology, India, VNS Group of Institutions, India, Manipal University, India, and Japan Bangladesh Robotics and Advanced Technology Research Center, Japan. His main research interests are natural language processing, machine learning, machine translation, text processing, data analytics, computer vision, and artificial intelligence. So without further ado, now I would invite Professor Hung to start the talk. Over to you, sir.
Thank you for your introduction. Today, I would like to present with you about my topic, building chatbot using deep learning approach. Here is an outline of my presentation. First, I will talk about natural language processing, that is the deep learning, and how to build chatbot using deep learning approach. After that, I will give some experiments from my research, and lastly, I will give conclusion. Now, let's start with the natural language processing. What is natural language processing, NLP? You know that natural language processing, it means that it's a process information contained in the natural language text, and also known as computational linguistics, human language technology, natural language engineering. Yes. And natural language processing is one important artificial intelligence, which in the natural language processing, there are many tasks, but we talk about the linguistics, which work tokenize, lexical analysis, syntax, semantic, and discard analysis. For example, here is dependency parsing. We have the raw sentence, and from raw sentence, we will get the part of speech shuffling. And from that, we can build the work dependency parse sentence. Dependency tree here, we build from the dependency we get. And sometimes we use this semantic parsing. Here is some example of semantic parsing. detailed analysis. And from natural language processing, you know that with related to the text where we had a lot of work, and from a lot of work we can build a backup work or dictionary, and from the backup work we can build one hot vector. For example, here is the re-sentence, and from the re-sentence you can recognize the work, and you can build the backup work as well as one hot vector. And
Hang sir, kindly unmute yourself. I had to mute all the participants. Thank you.
okay. And here is n-gram. For example, we have this sentence. It means that we had 1 gram here, and here is 2 gram. And the last example about the 3 gram here. GF, IDF, here one important picture in the natural language processing. It means that GF means that term frequency, and IDF means that inverse document frequency.